For anyone with a lab project, I would strongly recommend VOSS Lab. My name is Francisco Bravo. I am a shift manager here at Asahi Laverton, and back when I project managed this project, I was the quality coordinator on site. Initially, the site had two labs. We had a brewing lab and a packaging lab, and they were separated from each other. We decided to make a unified lab to have all the operators working together in one space and all the equipment also in one space. The main purpose of this lab is to test quality parameters throughout the whole production of the beverages that we do here. We do wort testing, fermentation testing, maturation testing, filtration testing of beer, and then we do quality checks on packaged product throughout all the process of packaging. I was looking for a supplier that was able to help me with all of the safety and aesthetic standards that we were looking for. I needed someone that specialized in building labs and someone that was also going to be able to accommodate to all our needs and also the changes that we needed to make it happen throughout the process. It was really good. So initially when I connected to Seth, he invited me to the showroom in the city where you can literally walk around and handpick what you want in your lab. Once we decided on how we wanted the lab to look, Seth got to work and he made a couple of drafts of how the lab was going to look on a render in the computer. And then we went back to the showroom and then we just did the final touches there. They have a really good software. We could sit in the board. We could see the 3D printing of the lab, how it was going to look, how much it was going to cost, and we could edit or move anything that we wanted on the spot. Once that was finished, I think around a week or 10 days, they brought in people and they started building the lab. Yep. Yes, an important aspect of a lab is to be accurate with your results, and the balance bench has helped us a lot with that. We do a couple of standards for our instruments, and just having the reassurance that your balance is performing optimal, it's great to have. Talking about the trolleys too, the operators have to walk to the lines and grab samples. So having those trolleys available for us, and you can just push them around, put some samples in there, and then bring them straight to the lab. For anyone with a lab project, I would strongly recommend VOSS Lab. From the beginning, the project was pretty easy. They knew what they were doing. And after finalizing the lab, the follow-up, and all of the little changes that we wanted to happen, they made it happen. So I strongly recommend them.